I'm Connie Warren with ThinkUp Studios. Teachers, we're inspired by all you do. So we're committed to helping you create a classroom culture where critical thinking and problem solving are both routine and valued. So let's dive into ThinkUp ELAR tool, starting with the table of contents, shall we? The strength of this tool is evident in the first turn of the page. ThinkUp ELAR offers 20 units of high-quality Lexile text that marry TEKS-aligned and research-based instruction with the power of Mentoring Mind's own 9 critical thinking traits. You'll notice in the table of contents, there are rich and diverse genres represented as well as practice in both single and paired texts. One of the features that makes ThinkUp ELAR a valuable instructional tool is its flexibility. Units can easily be arranged to match and support any district scope and sequence. Following the units of instruction, there's a wealth of helpful information in the Teacher Resource section to guide you as you incorporate ThinkUp ELAR into your district's plan for quality literacy instruction. You'll find a meticulously detailed critical analysis tool that outlines the frequency of each student expectation throughout the units and instructional component in which it has been addressed. Also included is a list of authentic literature titles sorted by the skill they help to support during instruction. Each title has been analyzed and are lexiled for your convenience using metametrics. Finally, we've included a glossary of terms in both the Teacher Edition and Student Edition. This tool supports a systematic campus or district approach to providing students consistent academic language for recognizing and understanding ELAR concepts.